Hi all, Buddhi here again. Welcome to the YouTube tutor this week. This week what we're going to create this light post. Let me to focus. Okay, here we go. This is the one we're going to create. There are a lot of bits and pieces for us to create by creating this small bit and pieces to make it looks like a light post. We'll be learning a lot of 3D modeling technique. Especially this week we're going to use the spline, we're going to work with the line tool and how to create our focus is how to use the line tool efficiently to get it done the 3D modeling. Okay, let's get started, guys. Alt W, I press Alt W to go to my viewport. Make sure when you work in your viewports looks like this. Okay, if it is not, see, if you accidentally rotate it, it's in here it's a orthographic view. Make sure this one is a left or side view, top view, front view, left view, and the perspective view. If you want to turn your viewport and have a look around, turn your perspective viewport. Okay, do it as a habit and don't work like that. It's so messy, guys. Okay, so messy, and you can't see 3D object in a in a 3 you can't see it in the 3 different angle. Supposed to be this again, top view, and second this front view, and this left or side. Okay, let's get started. First, it's been grouped. I'm going to open. Alt Q to isolate rest of other stuff. I select the object that I want to concentrate and isolate. Okay, this way we're going to start the light post basement, not the basement, base of the light post. Okay, to create something like this really easy with the line tool. Okay, I will go to one of my left view. It's really important when you working with the line tool, spline tool. Make sure you work with the one of the 2D viewport, but especially left view is the best candidate for something like this. Okay, I'll show you what's happened if you use the perspective viewport. Okay, first let me to show where's the line tool is. Create, then we worked with the geometry last week. We were creating boxes, cones, spheres, and all sort of stuff. Then today we're going to move to the next one, which is the shape. Then you can see the line. Okay, there are 3 different line tools. Spline, mostly we're going to work with the spline, but I'll let you guys to check it up the other line tools. Okay, it's a bit similar. It's give different controls. Okay, change it to spline. Okay, create geometry. This is the line tool. Okay, then if I try to work with my line tool in the perspective view, okay, this is what is happening. Okay, it's go all over, guys. It's so ugly. It is not good place to do your work. Okay, what I'll do, I'll delete that one. Then I go to my left view. Okay. Then I go to my left view. This is my left view. Then I create geometry. This is the shape view. This is a shape tab. Then the line. Okay, here we go. you can start clicking. If you hold down the shift key, you will generate the like a straight curve. Okay. Oh, sorry, I accidentally right click. I'll start again. Make sure you in the you in the left view. Again, I'm gonna start. Sorry, guys. If I hold down the shift key, it creates the straight curve. Again. I'm just trying to create the profile shape of the lamp, base of the lamp that we're trying to create. Hold down the shift key. Again, accident. I keep pressing the exit like a right mouse. I'll do it. Sorry guys, I'll do this one really quickly. When I try to move, because I'm working with the really small, with my screen capture, therefore trying to work in the really small area. Hold down the shift key. Okay. Now if you right click, then you can exit the line tool. Okay. After you done this, it's like any other tool. You can still modify. Go to the modify. See, vertex. Now you can modify line, vertex. You can modify. See, you can move them up. Okay, make sure you in the left view. It is the best view to create this kind of shape. You could use the front view, but it will give, sometimes it will give it doesn't give the exact shape that you're looking for. Then you have to change the axis. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, then you can move the vertices if your profile shape is not there. But not only that, okay, let me to see in here. I can select any of the vertices, but this is if I select this one, it's more prominent. What I'm trying to do more. Then right click. Okay, click one of the vertices. Right click. You can add these bezier, corner, or smooth. You can add these attribute to the vertices. Let's see if I add smooth. See, if I add the smooth, it will smooth up the curve. That's cool. If I any corner, if I add the corner, it will give the like this corner, the sharp edge. I'll control with the smooth. And also, if you want to, you could add select something else. You could add bezier. Bezier, it will give you the handle. Okay, let's do the bezier corner. It will give you the handle. Let's select this one. Bezier. Yeah. Here we go. It will give you the handle for you to control this vertex. Okay. I'll do it smooth. I'll add Bezier. See. Okay. That's how you control these curves. Then I go to the top of the hierarchy. Now I'm about to add the modifier. See, my profile of the line is look like this. Now I am in the top of the hierarchy, then go through my modifier list, add the modifier called lathe modifier, which I'm going to find. It is in the alphabetical order. Find the lathe modifier. Here we go. This is the one. Okay. As soon as you add the lathe modifier, it's look like this, but it's not the exact shape that I'm looking for. Go to the gizmo, expand your lathe modifier, then click this one, then you can move the lathe modifier. See, make sure you're in the axis, and you can move the lathe modifier. You can move along the axis. See, make sure you are moving the right axis. Okay, if you move the C, it will look like this, but if you move along the y axis, it look like this. Okay, try it out. If your shape is not there, if you moving along the axis, even sometime if you move along the y axis, your shape wouldn't get that you trying to look. Then move the x axis. Okay, now the which axis I supposed to move along the y. Okay, make sure, try to move along the both axis and have a look at your face, your shape. Then even if I come to this stage, you can adjust this surface. See in here vertices. Okay, but if I come down the hierarchy, my shape is going to disappear. What I should do to keep my shape intact, click this one, show end result. Okay, by clicking that small button, you will able to keep the end result of this modifier intact. Then I can move the vertices. I can move these vertices. See, okay, as I drag them, you still modifying your shape. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna stop my video in here. This is the basic like a base shape that I create. First try it with the like a basic profile shape, then you can create the more interesting shapes once you get used to this tool. This really interesting tool to add to your modeling technique, incorporate into your modeling techniques. Okay, it's really good, guys. Okay, then once you're happy, collapse all. Okay, now it's bake all the modification to your base, but it's look now it is a editable mesh, but I like to work with the convert editable poly. Simply editable mesh doesn't give you the much control, the editing tools in here. Editable poly, you just give a lot of control over here. You can check it out by yourself. Okay. Thanks. I will, in my next video, I'll create the poll and rest of other stuff. Thanks for listening to this one, guys.